Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset Darktable settings. So let's go and do that. So if we change too many settings in global configuration, we need to reset a little bit. So click here, the gear icon, top right corner, right over here. You will see it next to the histogram. And to open preferences. So settings that differ from the default are marked with a bullet points. So as you can see, we have here highlighted with these bullet points next to it. So what we can do is just click again on it and they will be gone. So this is the option that we can reset to the default value. Also, what we can do general, we can hit here reset view panel if we want. So we will not be able to restore our current panel layout and module selection. So we can also do that. Yeah, and this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.